Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of January 14th in my personal white ring bound planner. I have this kit from Two Little Bees called Cozy. It is like a vertically sized mini kit. I just thought this was like really cute. It's like I said, it's just a mini kit, so I've pulled out a bunch of extra stuff as well, although in my personal wide it should be fine, and it even comes with some headers. I love this like washi, and you've got some like little clear icons up at the top there. I am actually using different inserts once again this week, so these are also from Jesenia's Printables. These are like the new week on 3 pages plus listing, so these look like the ones I used to use in my B6 except for the last page. So you have a sidebar here, and then the weekdays plus the weekends and extra sidebar, and then this has actually split listing. So I thought I would give this a try. I really loved the dailies last week, but I don't have as busy of a week this week except for Monday, so I am gonna just try these out, and then I probably switch things up from week to week because that's the best thing about being in a ring bound. You can keep changing. Anyway, I am gonna go ahead and jump in. So usually when I use a new insert or a different insert than the last week, I feel like all discombobulated, but this was actually so easy to jump back into. And although I loved using the dailies last week and I found it so functional, it was like a lot of work to set up, and this just felt so easy compared to that, which is kind of funny. So I felt like I flew through this. So I did want to use these date covers from Sadie Stickers. They sort of matched, but I'm really trying to use my winter stuff. I actually it wasn't on purpose, but I haven't been in a really spendy mood lately, and so I have one more haul that I'm working on editing, but after that it might be the last haul for a little while, because I have not bought anything this month except for my subs, which is great, and it wasn't really on purpose, but maybe also because I know I'm not getting paid this month, because I am freelance work and I won't get paid for my work this month until next month anyway. I don't know, but anyway, I just did a sidebar. I'm going to do dinners and one habit for the week, which was going to be checking my planners. I pulled in some Simply Gilded washi, some washi from the kit, and then that floral washi is from Artbox Stickers, and it is so pretty. I'm so glad I bought that. That was from Black Friday, and then I am going to actually remember to do the checklists up, down, up, down. These are size the personal wider plus, so that they fit 3 columns across, but it does make everything super close together. So I find it helpful to have the checklists go on alternating between the top and the bottom, and to do the full boxes across the middle. I really liked the extra space of this compared to the other week on 2 pages that I was using, the one with the split weekends. So you just get a little bit more space with this. And then I used just the kit bottom washi, and then ran everything else across the bottom. And I am going to actually set up the weekend and the second sidebar before I jump into the plans. I just felt really comfortable planning in these. I did used to plan in these for a really long time in my B6. So I guess I was just used to them, and I decided to run that washi at the top. This is not Monday was a super busy day. It's Wednesday when I'm recording the voiceover. Although I did plan this actually on Saturday. So it's been a while, but I did I had a really busy Monday, and then I didn't do anything on Tuesday. I pretty much was just super lazy, and then I was feeling down about being lazy. So then I have had a really productive Wednesday, and it's nap time on Wednesday, and I'm recording this voiceover, and then I'm going to chill for a little and then do regular week stuff. But anyway, I didn't really have anything super to do this week, just my regular Monday work that I've been doing since we got back from our trip. And we didn't have a nanny this week because our nanny was out of town, so I had to sort of squeeze that in around the kids, but it actually went really well, so that's good. And nice to know I can do that, although my daughter did watch a little bit too much TV yesterday, but we made it happen. And then that's pretty much all. My daughter has a dentist appointment on Friday, but other than that, we didn't have any plans all week. So I am trying to think of things to do, and I just started, jumping on that Comery bandwagon and cleaning out our house and cleaning out some stuff. I actually feel I'm pretty good about that, doing that fairly regularly, but stuff does pile up and you forget things. So I just did the bathroom, and that felt really good. So anyway, on Monday, I was leaving myself a note that I didn't have a nanny and I had work to do, so I just wanted to make sure I remembered that. I ended up like waking up super, super early in the morning and getting like a bunch done before the kids woke up, which was good. And then my husband actually went into work a little bit late so that I could finish up some stuff. And then I did I timed the rest around my son's nap, and I let my daughter watch some TV and then finished up during their joint afternoon nap. So it was good. I just put down that Coffee Monday sticker from Hello Petite Paper just to mark that I was going to need all the coffee since I woke up so early, or I was planning on doing that since I knew I wasn't going to have a nanny, and then just marking down that I was going to work and that I needed to pack lunches, and then I realized I didn't have room for anything else, so I was just kind of jiggering that around so that I could go ahead and fix so that the spacing was even. Anyway, sorry if I sound a little bit hoarse. I'm kind of just getting over a cold. Everyone in the house kind of has a cold, so that's always fun times too. And then Tuesday was trash day and super important recycling day. And then as well, I was just grabbing this computer on the flag from the kiddo. Sorry, I wasn't sure what I was doing. Just to mark that I've been writing this sort of industry report thing, and it gets published on Tuesdays now. So that's the work that I've taken over for Monday. It's just this weekly report. Anyway, so that's cool, and it gets published on Tuesdays, and I'm still in the part where I feel really proud every time I finish it, and it doesn't feel old hat yet, if you will. So I'm marking that down. And then Tuesday, my daughter had school, and I needed to remember to bring a planter in because they were painting pots at school, and I forgot to bring hers in last week. So I brought that in, and then I wanted to do some filming. It did not get done. Like I said, I pretty much just finished up the work I had to finish and then did nothing all day until I picked my daughter up from school. So that was Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I was just putting the pack lunches at the top because I didn't really have any other big to-dos that I wanted to do. I ended up cleaning up my bathroom this morning and finished up just a few minutes ago. So that's awesome. And I did end up adding that to my regular heart checklist. Also need to do some laundry, and I left myself a half box for our activity, which ended up being an indoor play place. And then as well, this video, I'm recording this voiceover and then uploading it right away, which I don't usually do, but I am just a little bit behind because I was so lazy yesterday. So I'm marking down a video with one of these bow stickers from Clever Gal Crafts. And then that laundry is from Planning World. And and then on Thursday, my daughter has school again. Actually, I'm sticking a planner at the bottom because I want to finally do that goal setting insert. I'll see if I actually get to that. I'd like to, but I was supposed to film on Tuesday and I didn't. And my stuff to film my memory spread has just been sitting on my desk since Monday now. So I'm gonna do that first. And then if I can after that, I will try and do my goal setting. Anyway, I just left myself a half box for an activity. Hopefully I can do something fun with, oh no, never mind. That's for filming. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is what happens when I film on Saturday and record the voiceover on Wednesday. That is too much space in between. Anyway, and then on Friday, our cleaning people are coming. Hooray! It's my favorite day of the week. And as well, I'll probably go to Starbucks, and then my daughter has a dentist appointment in the morning, which I'm realizing now, because usually I just go to Starbucks and then we go to Tot Shabbats or some other activity, but I just looked at my paper and realized we have a dentist appointment, so we won't be doing that. So we will go to the dentist and then to some smaller activity. So I just put in the quarter box instead. This weekend, we have absolutely no plans whatsoever. So I'm just kind of filling it in with stickers because I don't like to have to come back and sticker in here. And I just kind of fill it out as I go through the week and as we make plans. I know on Sunday I want to do planners, and there was this huge planner deco in the kit. So I just used that. And then I put a half box down for each day for whatever our activity is. And then on Saturday, I will also probably paint my nails since I usually do that on Saturdays. So just marking that down. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I know my camera cut out at the end, but I just put in a little bit of deco and washi. On this page, I'm going to use one list for personal stuff and one list for work stuff, and we'll see how that goes on this less busy week. We'll see if I miss the dailies or if I like this or my old inserts. I don't know. So we will see. Or I may just change from week to week. Like I said, that's my kind of why I like the ring bound so much, because you can, you know, just keep going week after week with however you want. Anyway, I have this bow from Kanko XOXO to stick on the back page, and then I'm going to put this dangle paper clip that my friend Sammy from Artbox Stickers sent me, and she made it herself. I am going to go ahead and put that on my front page here, and that's everything. So let me show you what I have left in the kit. So I used like this, the thinner washi, but I have a lot of this washi, the headers. I did use like a bunch of the full boxes. These are like a perfect size mini kit. I do really like the horizontal format for in here, but this is really nice as well, especially with these being like a little bit longer than the other inserts I was using. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!